Well, good morning, everybody. I wanted to bring up this article because nobody is talking about this situation. This is from Natural News. Hurricane Florence achieves direct hit at Brunswick Nuclear Power Plant in Southport, North Carolina. Pray for our safety. This came out September 14th, which was yesterday. Hurricane Florence, which achieved landfall early Friday morning, has achieved a direct hit on the Brunswick Nuclear Power Facility in Southport, North Carolina. The eye of the hurricane, where the winds are the most severe, is right now swirling directly over the nuclear power containment buildings, battering them with 100-plus miles per hour winds. As Natural News reported earlier, there are at least 12 active nuclear power plants in the direct path of Hurricane Florence. Boy, are we going to have another Fukushima? It kinda is looking that way. Many Americans are concerned about whether these nuclear power facilities are prepared to survive a worst-case scenario of a direct hit. Now we know that direct hit has taken place. Thankfully, hurricane winds dropped from 140 miles an hour to around 100 miles per hour over the last 48 hours. This may be the saving grace that prevents these nuclear power plants from being severely damaged or destroyed by this storm. I think, personally, that that's exactly what they're trying to achieve. All right, they are trying to create another Fukushima. As the map shows below, the Brunswick power plant is located just south of Wilmington, North Carolina. Right there. Okay. This is precisely where the eye of Hurricane Florence made landfall. Right there, at the Brunswick nuclear power plant. Wow. Alright, so here's the National Hurricane Center's animation and warning text. Okay, hold on. Well, unfortunately, it did not load, but I will leave the link in the description box below. Okay. #hurricane, #Florence has made landfall near Wrightsville Beach, North Carolina. Okay. North Carolina officials are currently reporting that nearly 500,000 customers, that's a lot, have lost power. Media lies to the public about the shutting down of nuclear power plants. Really, the media lies to the public. Shocking. The Brunswick nuclear power plant is one of several that have been reportedly shut down. But they have not. They were not shut down before the storm's arrival. But the media, not surprisingly, has been systematically lying to the public about these shutdowns. Just kind of adjust the page here. Hold on. Oops. Okay, so nuclear power plants require weeks of cooling pumps to function for an effective shutdown. They can't simply be switched off in an instant like a light switch. If the cooling pumps fail at any time during the weeks-long shutdown procedure, the nuclear fuel rods can boil off the coolant water and rise in temperature until a nuclear meltdown occurs. Oh, jeez. None of this is being reported to the public by the lying media, which routinely whitewashes the risks of nuclear power. At this point, all we can do is hope and pray that Brunswick nuclear facilities withstand the winds and the floods of the storm. even if something goes wrong with one or more of these facilities, rest assured the media will lie to cover it up, even while radiation is released into the atmosphere, just like they all did during the Fukushima catastrophe. Alright, so, okay guys, I don't really have too much to say except, this is, people just gotta wake up. They really gotta wake up, you know. We are facing what could possibly be another Fukushima disaster. Alright everybody, thanks for watching. Have a great day.